Hello students, welcome all of you to BYJU'S exam prep and a very happy Diwali to all of you. Okay, a very safe and a very prosperous Diwali you must have. Now, of course, when it's the festive season, definitely you have more time for preparation because you don't have any college or work pressure other than that. So these are the times actually definitely you enjoy, you meet your family, cousins, friends, colleagues everywhere. Okay, but at the same time for a true GATE aspirant, because it's all about timing and time for GATE exam is less than 3 months now, you must know that. So that is why, okay, you should have that mixture, of course, the celebration part, but at the same time, the preparation part. Okay, keep practicing and keep revising all of your concepts. And at the same time, I thought, okay, let me also give you a small practice sessions, this Diwali special. And in this session, we are going to practice 31 important questions, okay, from general aptitude, covering all areas and all good questions of general aptitude, be it from reasoning or be it from DI, be it from quantitative aptitude or spatial aptitude, all of the portions of general aptitude, okay, in 31 questions. So it's going to also be a good revision of, some of your very important areas. So let's get moving ahead without wasting any more time. Let's get started. The first question here. The first, let's take a question here that goes to Venn diagram. So all miscellaneous topics will come. Some questions will be really good also. Some questions are fundamental one. Okay, this is a fundamental one. In a class of 70 students, 30 do not play carom, 20 do not play chess. Okay, if 10 students play neither of the game, how many students play both the games? Okay, very simple Venn diagram you can draw for this one. Okay, very simple Venn diagram. If you want, you can draw for this one. Okay, so in a class of 70 students, my sample space is for 70 students. Okay, now out of this, okay, 30 do not play carom and 20 do not play chess. Okay, 30 do not play carom, 20 do not play chess. Okay, if 10 students play neither of the game, okay, 10 students play neither of the game, how many students play both the games? So you know what is this 30 do not play carom? Suppose I call this as carom and next is chess. Okay, this is CA carom, this is CHF. How many students play both the games? They are asking this value X. Okay, now let us say, okay, if this is suppose X, let me call this particular point as suppose A and suppose B. Okay, so A plus X plus B plus 10. A plus X plus B plus 10, that is 70. Number one thing that you must know. But 30 do not play carom. So how many do not play carom? Okay, A and X play carom. Okay, so 70 minus A and X. So 70 minus A minus X. This is equal to the students who do not play carom, 30. Okay, 20 do not play chess. So how many do not play chess? X and B. B play only chess, X play both of them. So ये दोनों chess में count होगा. So 70 minus B minus X, this is equal to 20. Okay, right. So now guys, when you just add it up, okay, from here, A plus B. What is the value of A plus B? That you can get the idea from here. How much is A plus B? How much is A plus B? 10 and 70 cancel 60 and then minus X. So because if you add here, you will get 140 minus A plus B, okay, and minus 2X is equal to the 50. You can get the value of X here easily. Okay, 140 minus A plus B, okay, that is minus 60 minus X. A plus B is 60 minus X. Minus 2X is equal to the 50. Okay, so how much I am getting? 80, 140 minus 60, then minus plus X, minus 2X. So minus X is equal to 50. The value of X is equal to the 30. The value of X is equal to the 30. 30 play both the games. Okay, 30 will be the students who play both the games. Now, if then they can ask you any other thing, how many only play carom? Okay, so that also can be obtained from here. X ka value 30 aa gaya hai, right? So 40 and A will be equal to 10. Okay, if they want to ask B, A ka value 10 aa gaya. If they want to ask B, X kitna aaya? X is equal to 30. So this becomes 40 and B will be 20. Okay, so 10. Here it will be 10, here it will be 20. Correct. 10, 20, 30, 10, total 70, everything satisfied. Okay, chalo, let's move ahead to the next. Okay, I'm just telling you they can ask any other thing as well. Next question, here it is, number 2, data sufficiency. Number 2 from the data sufficiency. The question below consists of a question and two statement numbered 1 and 2. You have to decide whether the data provided in the statement are sufficient to answer the question or not. Read both the statements and give the answer. So what is the question? So this is actually your question. There are 4 consecutive even numbers. there are 4 consecutive even numbers. What is the average of smallest and largest number? So how can you take 4 consecutive even numbers? Okay, 4 consecutive even numbers. Suppose, okay, I don't say first even number, any 4 consecutive even number like 12, 14, 16, 18, like anything. Okay, so let's say the first even number is a, so next will be a plus 2, then a plus 4, and then a plus 6, because even numbers hai, so they will be alternative. So that is why plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 kar diya. Question is, what is the average of, okay, what is the average of smallest and the largest? Largest will be a plus 6. Okay, divide by 2. Okay, so 2a divided by 2 will be a plus 6 by 2, 3. So what I want is a plus 3. For that I should get a. Okay, for that I should get a. Now, which of the statements are sufficient to solve this problem statement? There is a problem statement. What is the value of a plus 3? Okay, now, what is the first statement? The average of first 2 is 4 less than the average of last 2. The average of first 2 is 4 less than the average of last 2. Okay, ye dekhiye statement number 1. What is the average of first 2? a plus 2 divided by 2, right? And this will be equal to a plus 1. What is the average of last 2? So last 2 is a plus 4 and a plus 6. So what is their average? A plus 4 plus a plus 6 divided by 2. That will be equal to a. Okay, and then plus 5. Anyways, their difference is 4. They are not telling something new. Anyways, whatever be the value of a, independent of a, the difference is 4. Okay, the statement number 1 to kisi kaam ka nahi. It is just giving you redundant information that you already know. Okay, so I cannot solve by statement number 1. I need to get the value of a. Acha, next, the difference between largest and smallest is 6. The difference between largest and smallest. Okay, largest and smallest. So largest is a plus 6. Smallest is a, because largest anyways likha na. The difference between them is anyways 6. How can you get the value of a from here? So this is also a redundant information given. That is what logic they are trying to test. Okay, given some information, can you solve a problem statement? But at least by these two informations, I can't solve. Okay, the data in statement number 1 sufficient? No. Data in statement number 2 sufficient? No. The data in either of the statement is sufficient? No. Actually, answer is D. The data in both the statements even together, if you take, not sufficient to answer the question. Option is D. Okay, sorry guys. This is A. I think there is a typo error coming up here. This is B, this part is C, and this part is D. So correct answer, we are marking it as option number D. Okay, the correct answer is option number D. Previous mein to koi typo nahi tha? No, that was okay. Clear everybody? So D is the very correct answer. D is the very correct answer. Number 3rd, okay, we have a blood relation question, I think. Yeah. Okay, so there are 2 married couples in a 3-generation family. 3-generation family hai. Okay, there are total 7 members, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, and there are 2 married couples. Okay, now let us start drawing the relations given. K is the grandmother. Grandmother means female. Okay, of M. Okay, grandmother, mother of your parents. Okay, so grandmother of M. So I don't know, there will be somebody in between. Okay, because grandmother hai na. Okay, so M ke parents and then grandparents will come in. Because K is the grandmother, so females are represented by circles, male will be represented by square. That is the common notation in blood diagram. Okay, downward means, okay, child, then again a child. The downward relation is child here. So K is the grandmother of M. Whatever I have used, I will highlight that. Then P is the father-in-law of N. Okay, where is P, where is N? Nothing known. K has 3 children. Okay, so this K has 3 children. Okay, and Q is the sister of O, who is the only brother of L. Acha, so ये relations आ रहा है ना. Q is the sister of O, who is the only brother of L. Who is the only brother of L? So Q, O, L, they will definitely come here. And N is the brother-in-law of L. Acha, so N is the brother-in-law of L. Brother-in-law. N is brother-in-law of L. ठीक है. And who is the only brother of L? ठीक है, देखते हैं, आगे देखते हैं. And has no siblings. M is the nephew L. अच्छा, ये M, he is a nephew of L. Okay, so this M, this M will also have some parents. Okay, and L, nephew of L. Nephew first of all means male. M is the nephew of L. So that means who should be L? The L should be the brother or sister. वो भी identify करेंगे, but L should be the brother or sister of M's parent. Okay. M's parent. If M is the nephew, L becomes the uncle or aunt. That's what I want. Okay. Now, O is the son of P. O is the son. Achha, definitely O is going to come here because Q is the sister of O. Okay, who is the only brother of L? Okay, who is the only? O is the only brother of L. Achha, O is the brother. Okay, and Q is the sister of O. Okay, so Q bhi isi line mein aayega. So I think Q will be here. Okay, and N is the brother-in-law of L. brother-in-law of L. So L has a sister Q. Q is married to N. That is why N becomes a brother-in-law. N becomes a brother-in-law to L. Okay? Brother-in-law to L. Okay, so these three. Achha, sorry, this was not equal to. I'm sorry. This was siblings, na? O is the brother. Right. So these three are siblings. Abhi L ka gender bhi nikal lenge. L is not the male member. Okay. L is not the male member. So of course L is female. So these are the three children. K has three children. Na? These are the three children. P is the father-in-law of N. P is the father-in-law. Acha, dekho. N and Q are married and Q has the mother K. So K becomes the mother-in-law to N. Okay. P is the father-in-law. That means P is male and married to K. So P is the father-in-law of K. A father-in-law of N. Okay, I think all 7 done. 2, 4, yeah, 7 done and 2 married couples, 3 generation, everything is sorted now. Okay, which of the following is mother of M? Mother of M. Mother of M is Q, option number B. Okay, ye dekhiye na. Parent to child relation and Q is the female, so Q is the mother of M. Q is the mother of M. A good question from blood relation. Sometimes the statements can be simple, sometimes there can be multiple statements just to test your patience. Next one. This is a sort of coding question. Read the following information to answer the question. Digits in the numbers are to be coded as follows. So there is some code that is given to you. Okay. The following conditions are to be also observed. If the first digit is odd and the last digit is even, they are to be coded as hash and percentage respectively. If first is even and last is odd, then they are to be coded as something. If 0 is preceded as well as followed by odd digit, then 0 is to be coded as @ If 0 is preceded and followed, दोनों होना चाहिए. If 0 is preceded and followed by an even digit, then 0 will be coded as star. If 0 is preceded or followed by a perfect square, then some coding is to be followed. Okay. Now, what will be the code? Let us read the number and then see which condition matches. 4387. Okay, यहाँ पे लिख देते हैं. 4387. Okay, then 3054. 3054. ठीक है. Now please see. Number starts with even and ends with even. First condition क्या था? If first is odd, last is even, not matching. Second condition क्या था? If the first is even and the last is odd, then they have to be coded something. No, both first and last are even. So that means you have to follow the regular coding here. Okay, given here. Okay, then if 0 is preceded as well as followed by an odd digit. देखो, 0 is preceded as well as followed by an odd number. उसके पहले भी odd है, उसके बाद में भी odd है. Then, okay, then this is matching here. Okay, then 0 is to be coded as @. 0 is to be coded as @. Okay, now if 0 is preceded or followed by a perfect square, it is preceded by 3, followed by 5, none of them is a perfect square. Okay, the fifth condition is also not useful. So only one condition used, rest you have to follow the coding given. So 4 bole to K, okay, 3 is equal to P, 8 is F, then 7 means N, 3 is P, okay, 5 is equal to Q and 4 is equal to K. Match the option. Match the option. It's option number B very clearly. KPFNP @QK. Option number B. Done. Simple. Okay. All right. So this is a coding question. Okay. The coding question. A good question on coding, because see, only thing this reasoning question test is your patience, because sometimes the statements are long, solution is simple. Okay, but whether you have that patience to read that comprehension type statement given. Number 5. Okay, number 5. Read the information carefully and answer the question given below. It's an arrangement, I think, heights given. 6 people A, B, C, D, E, F are of different heights. C is taller than E but shorter than F. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 persons. Okay, out of which C is taller than E but shorter than F. So C is taller than E but shorter than F. F ऊपर आना चाहिए कहीं. A is shorter than F. Okay, so A will be below F. With I'll write down different statements. A is shorter than F but taller than D. Okay, but taller than D. तो ये भी एक sequence बन सकता है. D is taller than E. अच्छा, तो E will come below. D is taller than E but shorter than C. Okay, तो C कहीं ऊपर आएगा. Okay, but shorter than C. E is not the shortest. अच्छा, यहाँ पे देखो already 1, 2, 3. C will be somewhere above D. Okay, but 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And out of that they are telling E is not the shortest. Out of these 5, E is the shortest. Out of these 5, E is the shortest, but E is not the shortest among all. E is not the shortest among all. So, इसका मतलब है who is left? Only B is left. Okay, so B will be the shortest. Okay, B will be the shortest, and then here it will be E. Next E ही होगा. Okay, E is not the shortest. The height of the fourth tallest person is 176. Okay, and the shortest person is 155. Shortest is 155. Okay, which of the following can be height of E? So you got your answer actually. You got your answer. See, what comes here we can work out and try to get the relation. Okay, we can try to get the relation. Definitely F will be at the top. You know, दोनों से ये समझ में आ रहा है. F will be at the top. Then you have the fight between C, A, D. Okay, C is above D. That is also sure. So D will come here. Okay, now A and C. C is above D, but whether the C is above A or below A, that is I think not given. Okay, so A and C will be doubt. A and C will be a doubt, but that's okay. Even if you don't fill this, what is the question? Which of the following can be height of E, and E is between, okay, D and B. That is 176 and 175 के बीच में. इसका height कितना होगा? So no, not 177, not 178, 176 नहीं, A. Because if no two people are of same height, तो 176 तो हो ही नहीं सकता. So a number between them is option number A, 170 centimeter. It's option number A, that is a 170 centimeter. Done hai. Okay, option number A, 170 centimeter. Done hai. Next question will be ready here. Okay, direction. Study the following information and answer the question given below. There are 6 persons sitting around a triangular table. Sitting arrangement it is. Okay, there are 6 persons sitting around a 6 persons C, F, K, M, X, U are sitting around a triangular table, not necessary in the same order. And there are 6 seats, 3 at the corners and 3 in the middle. Okay, some of the people are facing the center. Achha, so this is going to make the question good. Some of them are facing the center. Okay, and some are facing away from the center, outside. Okay, but who are those some you have to figure out. X is second to the left of C. पहले यहाँ पे हम एक triangle बना लेते हैं. I'll try to adjust in this place so that with the question I give you the solution within the question slide. Okay, so I have 1, 2, 3, 3 at the corner, 1, 2, 3, 3 at the middle, and now let us write down. Okay, M is third to the right of C. Now I don't know where is C and whether C is facing inside, outside, so that also not known. U and K are immediate neighbors of M and both are sitting at the corner. Okay, U and K are immediate neighbors of M. Okay, both are immediate neighbors, मतलब just neighbors जो उसके just right side या left में हो, and both are sitting at the corner. Okay, so M is definitely at the middle. So you know it's a symmetric triangle है, कोई भी middle ले सकते हो. So let us start from here. Suppose this is M. Okay, so U and K are immediate neighbors. Okay, so U and K will be at these two, or you can swap also. We'll see if this doesn't work. Okay, so one statement is used. Okay, they are sitting. Now C faces opposite to the direction F. There is one person between you and the person who faces outside the center. X and M sit, acha, M is already there. So X and M sit fourth to the right of each other. Okay, fourth to the right. So now I don't know where is M facing, inside, outside. Let us assume inside once. Okay, so X and M should be right of, both should be right of each other. Both should be fourth to the right of each other. So if M is facing inside, na dear, if M is facing inside, so this becomes right side. So 1, 2, 3, 4. This should be X. Okay. But if X is also facing inside, na, so 1, 2, 3, 4. Then M is not to the right. X and M are both fourth to the right of each other. So X को outside करके देखिए. Now look into the right. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, now M is also to the right. So X and M, when both are fourth to the right of each other, that is why X is outside. तो ये भी use हो गया. कौन सा use हो गया? Statement 6 is used. Third is used. Okay. Now X sits to the immediate left of you. Okay. X sits to the immediate left of you with X facing outside. Achha, anyways, that is given. X facing outside, and X is to the immediate left of you. Okay, X is to the immediate left of you. That means U is also facing out. U is facing inside. तभी तो वो left होगा. U is facing inside. ठीक है, done. X sits to the immediate left of you. Okay, with X facing outside. Done. Seventh also used. C is facing inside the table. Where is C? इन दोनों में से कहीं C आएगा, देखते हैं. M is third to the right of C. Okay, so C यहाँ से आ जाएगा. M is third to the right of C. Okay, and C is facing inside. Suppose this is C. Suppose this is C. Okay, so then you have 1 and 2. No, X will come second. I want X. Sorry, M check करना था. So 1, 2. Yeah, M also comes second. I want M to be third to the right of C. Okay, so C यहाँ नहीं होगा. Okay, definitely C will come here, and C is facing inside. Okay, and then C is facing inside. So third to the right. 1, 2, 3. Third to the right is M. Perfect. Okay, C भी आ गया. So who else is left? Okay, C, F is left I think, तो F यहाँ पे आ जाएगा. Okay, K is done. Okay, MXU. Okay, ठीक है. Now question में क्या है? Can I come to the question? This is also used. Okay, now question is actually on the next slide. I'm sorry. What is the question? Who among the following sits exactly between X and F? Between X and F, exactly between X and F. C. It is 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 C. Option number B. Exactly between X and F, it is person C. Done hai ji? Done hai. Got this. So again, arrangements, and these are frequently asked question. Okay, arrangement, especially seating arrangement, be it GATE or engineering services, or you take any other exams, you know, be it, you know, ISRO or HPCL or anything. Very expected and important question. Okay, done it. Let's go to the next one, 7th one. Okay, now this is again a mapping. There are 3 situations here. This one is a really good question. Read the information to answer the question. There are 6 persons, A, B, C, D, E, F. They like 6 different animals. So 6 persons and 6 animals. Okay, that is bear, snake, something. And each of them belongs to a different country. So 6 different countries are also given to you. Korea, India, Sri Lanka, China, Japan, Russia, but not in same order. Okay, like A, B, C, D, E, F is not in this order. Okay, B, who belongs to Japan. Achha, some statements are given. So what I will do is, there are 6 persons, A, B, C, D, E, and F. Okay, they belong to one of the 6 countries and they like one of the 6 animals. Now let us keep writing and keep using. Okay, क्या है सबसे पहले? B, who belongs to Japan, doesn't like panda. Okay, B belongs to Japan. This is clear. Okay, but panda will not come up here. Okay, panda will not come here. ठीक है, doesn't like panda. C is not from Russia. C is not from Russia. थोड़ा सा स्पेस ले लेते हैं. C, D, E, F. C is not from Russia. ठीक है, so I'll cancel it. C is not from Russia. The one who likes beers and belongs to Russia is not A. अच्छा, the one who likes beers belongs to Russia but is not A. तो beer and Russia, they will go together, but that is not A. ठीक है, तो यहाँ पे रशिया नहीं आएगा, यहाँ पे बियर नहीं आएगा, right? Okay, so I have 2 cross for Russia already. Okay, so this is used. The one who likes beers and belongs to Russia is not A. A is neither belonging to China nor like tigers. So A does not belong to China, does not like tiger. So what it likes वो भी देख लेंगे. ठीक है. So A neither belongs to China nor like tigers. Because you know that mapping, you have to place down every statement, you have to place down, then only some conclusion will come. If you just blindly keep reading, okay, nothing, no conclusion will come. The one who belongs to India likes lions. Acha, the one who belongs to India likes lions. So lion will go with India. Okay, but where is India? That we have to see. Okay, that is not conclusive right now. E is from Sri Lanka. Okay, but doesn't like panda. E. So E's country is straight away known, Sri Lanka, but doesn't like panda. ठीक है. D is neither from China nor like bears. D is neither from China nor like the bears. Okay. Okay, neither from China nor from bears. So cut करते जा रहे हैं. Either E or F like snakes. Either or E or F like snakes. So snakes will come up here actually. Snakes will come up here. That is snore. Okay. The one who is from China doesn't like panda. The one who is from China. So can I make out who is from China? See, China cannot come here. यहाँ पे already Japan आ गया है. So these 2 are the places available for China. Okay. Either C or F. Okay. So something I can make for China. Okay. And the one who is from China doesn't like pandas. Okay. Doesn't like panda. Chalo. So now this is who among the following like lions. And lion means India. ठीक है. Now देखो, beer and Russia. Russia are also cancelled multiple places. देखो, Russia cannot come up here. Can Russia come here? Okay, I think one problem is solved. Okay, Russia I have crossed here. Okay, but Russia cannot come here because यहाँ पे beer नहीं आ सकता. Russia and beer go together. तो Russia cannot come here also. So I have got this option. This is Russia. F will be to Russia. Okay, and Russia के साथ आएगा beer. Okay, Russia के साथ आएगा beer. But either E or F was liking snakes. So here comes snakes. Here comes snakes. ठीक है. Now look into this. Panda doesn't come here. So panda can come up here. Chalo baad mein dekhte hain. Bear cannot come up here. Now I think I was thinking about China. China is also solved because China doesn't come to A or C. Okay, baki rest is filled. So China comes up here. China comes up here. Right? China comes up here. So ये China आ गया है, Russia आ गया है. Okay. So China comes up here. Okay. Now what else is left? वो देखना पड़ेगा. Panda cannot come up here. Okay, the one who is from China, ये भी कहीं statement था, right? The one who belongs to China, okay, doesn't like panda. So this means China है यहाँ पे, तो panda यहाँ भी नहीं आ सकता. So only possibility for panda is A or D. Okay, A or D. Okay, right? A or D. That's it. That's it. Anything else? Now, which are the countries left actually? Which are the countries left? China, Japan, Sri Lanka, Russia. India is left and Korea is left. Okay, India and Korea is left. Okay, so from this information, what I am able to conclude is, okay, maybe India can come here because there is no other information. Okay, or Korea can also come up here, right? If India is here, Korea will be D. Or then India will be here. But wherever India is there, lion will be there. So here it is going to be lion. Here it is going to be lion, or here it is going to be lion. Okay, here it is going to be lion. No, the one who belongs to India likes lion. Okay. A neither belongs to China nor like tigers. So यहाँ पे tiger नहीं आ सकता. Okay, so tiger and definitely elephant is also missing up here. Okay, so tiger and elephant will be at these two places. We are not able to figure out that. But I think that is not required because eventually question, who among the following likes lion? Lion goes with India. Okay, so India is A or D. Correct, and that is what actually you see. Okay, option number D, either option A or B. It is not finally conclusive. Okay, here it is. Look into this. Look into this. India will come to A or D, and with India, lion will be there. So who likes lion? It is A or D. Okay, A or D. Okay. And then which animal is left here? Panda. Korea के साथ panda आएगा. That is also mapped. That is also mapped. But Korea and India is between A and D. That is not conclusive as of now. But that's okay. We have got the option number D. Either option A or B. मतलब either A or D. Okay, we'll be liking the lions. Good question. Next one, dear. Simple one. Syllogism. Syllogism because they have a definite method. That is, this is also logical deduction, but they have a definite method. Previous one was logical mapping and a good mapping. Whenever three different categories are there, it will always be a good question. Be prepared for that. Okay, so in each of the question below, there are 2 or 3 statements followed by 4 conclusions numbered 1, 2, 3, 4. So here there are 2 statements. Okay, number 1 and number 2, and there are 4 conclusions. Okay, you have to take the given statements to be true. You have to take the given statements to be true 100%. Whether you feel they are true or not, your opinion is not mattering. If they have given a statement, it means conclusion. Based on this, if these are true, can you decide any of the conclusion? Conclusion means if you are 100% sure, तो देखते हैं. Okay, some statement, some singers are rockers. Okay, the best method for, syllogism is Venn diagram. Some of the singers are rockers. Some of them are having common. So let's say this is singers and this is rockers. Next statement kya hai? All rockers are Westerners. All rockers are Westerners. When I say all A are B, that means what? A is inside B. All rockers are Westerners. That means let us say this is the Westerners and all rockers belong to the Westerners. All rockers belong to the Westerners. But what about singers? I mean, Westerners will be bigger than rockers. Okay, but whether it will be bigger enough to accommodate all singers? Maybe. There can be 2 cases because that is not mentioned. So we can take both the cases. Or this can be W. So W के यहाँ पे आ गए 2 cases. Okay, what I only know is all rockers are Westerners. That means rockers are inside Westerners. So that whenever I look into all rockers, okay, they are a category of Westerners. All rockers are Westerners. Okay, all rockers are Westerners. ठीक है? ठीक है? Like Delhi belongs to India. ठीक है? So if somebody lives in Delhi, he is Indian. That's what. Na? Delhi belongs inside India. So everybody belonging to Delhi belongs to India. But vice versa not true. Everybody belonging to India belongs to Delhi. No, he may be from Mumbai, he may be from Kolkata, he may be from anywhere. Like that, it can be there. Na? Okay, so that is what. Okay, so I need to ensure that Westerners is bigger than rockers, but whether it is bigger enough to include all these singers, maybe, may not be. Now let's look into the conclusion. Okay, conclusion number 1. Some rockers are singers. Of course, if some singers are rockers, So some of the rockers are singers, na? Both of them are having something in common. So true, this is true. Some Westerners are rockers. Okay, now dekho, there are so many Westerners. You take any of them, case there are so many Westerners. Some of them are rockers. Some of the Westerners are rockers. Like I tell you, there are so many Indians. Some of them will be from Delhi, like that. Okay, so this is also true. Okay, some singers are Westerners. So dekho, there are so many singers. Yeah, there are so many singers. Some of them are definitely Westerners. Okay, maybe even these, but sure, na, at least some of the singers are Westerners. True. Some singers are not Westerners. Now, it may or may not be true. Dekho na, if you take the case number 1 for Westerners, so I can say that some of these singers are not Westerners. But are you sure it is going to be case number 1? It can be case 2 also. Then all of the singers are Westerners. You can't say that some singers are not Westerners. Okay, so this is not true. This is only maybe. Okay, and maybe is never counted as a conclusion. Conclusion means which is 100% true. You can always decide or always say conclude that. Okay, so correct answer is option number, statement number 1, 2, 3. So option number A. Statement number 1, 2, 3 will be concluded here. Done, hai ji? Okay, if this is done, let's go to the next question. A very simple question from clocks. Which of the following could be the angle made by the minute and the hour hands at 11:30 p.m.? The simple formula that you should always remember, I've taught you in the earlier classes directly. See, you can try to find out by logic, but these are simple and expected question. Directly use the formula always. Modulus of 30h minus 11 by 2m. Okay, h is the hour, like 11:30, 11 is the hour, and m means the number of minutes, 30 minutes. Okay. 30 minutes, and take the modulus of this. So 30 into 11 minus 11 by 2 times 30. Okay, so this is 330 minus 5.530, 165. Okay, 330 minus 165 is 165 degree. 165 degree. Option number B. Done hai. Please close. Okay, done hai. So a simple question from clocks I have kept here. Number 10, a series based question. So some quant questions will also be mixed up here. Okay, some series based question here. Find the sum of the series. 1 upon 3 into 9 plus 1 upon 9 into 15 plus 1 upon 15 into 21. Can you find a pattern here? See, 3 and 9. Then 9 se 15. 15 se 21. So the numbers are differing by 6. Acha, first of all, if you look into this, 1 upon 3 into 9. Can I break by partial fraction? See, if you write 1 by 3 minus 1 by 9. Okay, this becomes 9 minus 3, 6. 6 upon 3 into 9. But I want only 1. So divide 6 outside. You will get 1 upon 3 into 9. Similarly, if you have a look into this. Okay, first try to split into partial fraction. 1 by 9 minus 1 by 15. Okay, so 15 minus 9 again 6. 6 upon 9 into 15. I don't want 6 upon 9 into 15. I want only 1. So outside again I will divide by 6. Again these two are differing by 6. So same pattern will be there. That means your sum will be like 1 by 6. 1 by 6 will be there in each of the numbers. Okay, you will have 1 by 3 minus 1 by 9. Okay, plus next will be 1 by 9 minus 1 by 15. What should be next? 1 by 15 minus 1 by 21 whole multiplied by 1 by 6, so that 1 by 6 is outside. Okay, etc, etc, etc till the last one, that is 1 by 81 minus 1 by 87. That's it. And now you can feel that several terms getting cancelled. Minus 1 by 9 plus 1 by 9, that is cancelled. Plus minus 1 by 15 plus 1 by 15. Similarly, minus 1 by 21 will be cancelled with the next. Next will be 1 by 21 only. Okay, similarly, if you go to the last, this 1 by 81 will be cancelled with the preceding term here. Okay, only thing is 1 upon 87 will not cancel. Because to cancel 1 upon 87, I need a next term. The second component getting cancelled with the first component of next term. But there is no next term. This is the last term. Similarly, to cancel this 1 by 3, I need some preceding term. But there is nothing in preceding because this is the first term. Okay. So what is only left here? What is only left? 1 by 6 to hai outside. 1 by 3 minus 1 by 87. So it is solved now. 87 minus 3. 84. Divide by 6 into 3 into 87. Okay, so 84 by 6 itself cancelled as 14. 14 by 87 into 3, 240 and 21, 261. 14 by 261, here we have the option. Option number D. Here we have the option number D, which is totally correct. Done, Edge. Done. Next question, number 11. 3 arithmetic means are inserted between two numbers 11 and 99. Okay, insert kar denge. Okay, between two numbers 11 and 99. That means, okay, 3 arithmetic means how many? 3 arithmetic means M1, M2, M3. These are the 3 numbers between 11 and 99. Okay, and the series is continued till 100 terms. Find the 99th term of the series. Now, when you say you insert 3 arithmetic means between two numbers, it simply means that the numbers from 11 to 99, including this 3 arithmetic mean, should be AP. That should form a AP. Then only the numbers are known to be arithmetic means in between. Nah? Okay, so this is forming an AP. Okay, now for this AP, what is 99? It is like 5th term. It is like 5th term. I know it is a AP, but what is the AP has a common difference. Okay, so have a look into this. 99 is the 5th term, and what is the formula for 5th term? A1 plus 4D. Because any nth term in AP is written as A1, the first term, plus n minus 1 into D. Correct? ठीक है, तो यहां से निकाल लेंगे ना. 5th term is 99, but the first term is 11. That is also known to me. Starts with 11 plus 4D. So what is the value of D? 99 must be 80. 88 by 4, 22. The common difference is 22. Now, okay, this series is continued till 100 terms. I want the 99th term of the series. So simple now. 99th term will be A1 plus 98 times D. A1 11 hai, plus 99 into common difference obtained as 22. Write down this calculation, how much it should be. Sorry, this is 98. Okay, so 98 into 22, and then first term 11 added 2167. 2167, 2167. Option number A itself is correct. 2167. Done hai ji. All right, let's move ahead to the next question. Number 12 here. Okay, if f of x, a basic function analysis, very fundamental actually. If f of x is given to you, g of x is given to you, find the value of composition, lots of composition of function, g of f of x, but at x equal to 1. So what makes the problem simple is x equal to 1. Okay, otherwise you keep substituting function into the another, so you will get an expression. You will start getting complicated expression, and at the end, if you put, that will become lengthy. Okay, so directly what we need at the value of x equal to 1. Okay, and what is the innermost term here? Innermost, f of x, x की जगह रखना है 1. So first of all, what is f of 1? F of 1 is simple, na? 3x plus 2. Okay, so 3 into 1 plus 2, 5. Okay, now g of fx. Next is g of f1. That means g of 5. Now what is g of x? X square plus 5. So g of 5. 5 square plus 5. That becomes 30. Okay, so ye ho gaya. Now f of. Now I need f of g of f of 1. Right? That means I need f of 30. So what will be f of 30? F of x hai 30x, 3x plus 2. So this will be 3 into 30 plus 2. 3, 30, 90 plus 2, 92. Okay. Then finally I need one more g. Okay. I need g of this term, f of g of f of 1. That means I need g of 92. And what is g of 92? Gx is x square plus 5. Okay. So 92 square plus 5. For that you can again turn back to your virtual calculators. X square 92 square plus 5. 8469 should be my last answer. 8469 should be my last answer. That is option number B. Here it is. Correct. 8469. Option number B. Done. So, you know, such function type questions are also coming up in the GATE exams. You must be prepared about this. Okay. They are actually just very logical in nature. Next question, number 13. If ABC can complete a piece of work in 18, 45 and 30 days respectively, they complete the work together and A has received his share equal to 8120. Find the C's share. Find the C's share. Okay. They complete the work together. Okay. So they work together. Okay. But A has received a share. Okay. A has received a share. Okay. Equal to 8120. Okay. What is the share received by any person when working together? It is in the ratio of, okay, ratio of efficiencies. Okay. Okay. The amount received by any person is actually proportional to his or her efficiency. Okay. So what is the efficiency? Okay. What is the amount received by A is to B is to C? That should be equal to the ratio of efficiency, and efficiency is 1 upon time taken. A is able to complete a work in 18 days. So how much is the work done in 1 day? The work done in 1 day is efficiency, na? Basic method. The work done in 1 day is efficiency. So A takes 18 days to complete the work. What is the efficiency of A? 1 upon 18. Because 18 days may he will do the complete work. Complete work is normally assumed as 1 unit. So in 1 day, how much is the work done? 1 by 18. That is what is the efficiency, work done in 1 unit of time. Is 2. Efficiency of B. So B takes 45 days. So is 2 for 1 upon 45. And C takes 30 days. The efficiency will be 1 by 30. Now 18, 45, 30. Clearly LCM is 90. Okay. 90 is a common multiple to all. Lowest common multiple to all. So if you do into 90 directly, so 90 by 18, let's make the ratio simple actually. 5, 90 by 45, 2, 90 by 33. So 5 is to 2 is to 3. 5 is to 2 is to 3. Okay. So now A is to B is to C. Simple ratio 5 is to 2 is to 3. Okay. Out of which A has got 8120. What should be C? Okay. So A upon C directly if I take 5 by 3. A has got kitna 8120. Okay, so I can now decide the share of C as well. You can directly take the ratio between A and C. Okay, so solve from here. How much will be C? 3 by 5 of 8120. 4872. C should be getting 4872. 4872. So we have the option A directly. 4872 is the share received by person A. 4872. Done. Hai? Next, number 14. Meena can finish a task in 56 days by working for 12 hours a day. Tina can finish the same work in 50 days by working 16 hours. Okay, so it's not only days, they are working for different number of hours a day. So total work can be taken as number of days into number of hours. Actually, total work can be divided into hours only. Okay, so Meena can finish a task in 56 days. Okay, so Meena ki baat kare. So Meena is taking 56 days, but every day 12 hours. So total how many hours Meena is taking? Total how many hours Meena is taking? It is actually taking 672 hours. Let us write down in terms of hours. Similarly, Tina can finish the same work in 50 days, but every day she is working 16 hours. Okay, so this becomes total 800 hours. So let us say the work done in terms of hours. In how many ways they can finish it working together for 9 3 by 23 days. They are working together. Okay, they are working together. Okay, suppose for some D days. That's what I need to calculate. How many days? Suppose D days they are working together. D days they are working together. Okay, now how to solve this? Okay, so Meena completes the total work in 672 hours. So what is the efficiency of Meena? Okay, what is the efficiency of Meena? Here efficiency se mera matlab hoga, here efficiency would mean work done in 1 unit of time, and unit of time I'm taking as hour. So in 1 hour. Okay, so what is the efficiency of Meena? 1 upon 672, because total work 672 hours mein hota hai. So in 1 hour, 1 upon 672 work. Tina 1 upon 800 is the efficiency. Now they work together. Now they work together. So because they are working together, both the efficiency will be added. Na? Efficiency is work done in 1 hour. So in 1 hour, how much work is done? In 1 hour, Meena will do 1 upon 672 work. Tina will do 1 upon 800 work. That is why we add efficiency. Na? In 1 hour, they are working together. Okay. So this is the work done in 1 hour. Okay. Achha. Now, how many hours they work in one single day? How many hours they work in one single day? When they are working together, they work for 9 3 by 22. इसको पहले simplify कर देते हैं. This should be 9 into 23 plus 3 whole divided by 23. That is how we write the mixed fraction. तो ये कितना हुआ? Plus 3, that will be 210. So this is 210 divided by 23. Okay. So how many hours they are working? 210 by 23. For how many days? This is per 1 day. For how many days? D days. And they complete the work. As I mentioned, complete work is taken as 1 unit. Okay. Get the value of D from here. That is what you need to simplify actually. So 800 plus 672. 8 plus 6, 14. 1472. Okay. Into 210. Divide by 672 into 800 into 23. Whole multiplied by D is 1. So D actually, this calculation you have to solve. 672. 800 into 23 whole divided by 1472 and 210. Okay, the rest is just calculation. divide by 210 as well. 40 is the clear answer. How many days they will be working together? 40. How many days they'll be working together? 40. Option number A. Option number A. That is the 40 days they will be working together. Clear? Option number A. Done. Next, so time and work also being slightly covered. Next, probability, counting, these are also important category questions in the exam. So next, इनकी तरफ भी focus करते हैं. So what I have, a bag contains apple, mangoes and oranges in the ratio 6:5:4. I don't know the exact quantity. If the probability of picking 2 mangoes randomly 7/66. Now, okay, how many will be apples? Actually, it is the ratio 6:5:4. Okay, so I can say that how many will be the apples? Apples will be 6k. Mangoes can be taken as 5k and oranges can be taken as 4k. If the quantities are in the ratio 6:5:4, so quantities how do we take? 6k, 5k, 4k respectively. Okay. So what is the probability of picking 2 mangoes? Okay. What is the probability as per your knowledge, your understanding? Okay. Probability for picking up 2 mangoes, it should be given by how much, dear? 2 mangoes, na? Favorable upon total. Favorable means I need 2 mangoes out of 5k. So it can be 5k C2. How many ways you can pick 2 mangoes out of 5k? Divided by probability means favorable by total. Total means any two fruits can come. I picked up 2 fruits, any 2 fruits can come. Okay, so how many is the total number of fruits? 6 plus 5, 11 plus 4, 15. Okay, I have total 15k fruits. I have 15k fruits. Out of that, any 2 can go. Selecting any 2 out of 15k. Now let us write down. How do I solve 5k C2? 5k minus 1, 2 numbers divided by 1 into 2. Then whole divided by 15k C2. So how do you solve 15k C2? 15k. Then 15k minus 1. Again divided by 1 into 2. So ये 1 into 2 will get cancelled actually. And this is a given probability, 7/66. So यहाँ से k का value आ जाएगा. Okay, so just different way of asking the question. Ultimately, it's probability calculation only. So 1 and 2 is getting cancelled. 5k and 15k, ये 3 बचेगा. So I am left with 5k minus 1 divide by 3 into 15k minus 1 is equal to 7/66. Okay, so 66 into 5k minus 1 should be 7 times. And how much this will become? 3 into 15, 45k minus 3. Okay. So 66 into 5, 330k minus 66 is equal to, how much will be this number? 315k minus 21. Okay, so bacha kitna? 15k. 66 minus 21 becomes 45 clearly. So here I get k equal to 3. And if k is 3, what is the number of apples? Total number of apples. Dekho, apples is how much? 6k. 6k with k being 3, so it should be 18. Option number B. Option number B. Done. All right. So in the GA part, probability or basic counting questions are also expected. Let's take another one here. Okay. Okay, again a probability, but it's basic counting only. 4 boys and 3 girls stand in a queue for an interview. What is the probability that they will stand in alternate positions? What is the probability that they will stand in alternate position? कैसे निकालेंगे alternate? See, probability again means what? Favorable by total. Okay. That is what we did in the last question. Okay. Total means there are 4 boys and 3 girls and they can stand any ways, not necessarily alternate. Alternate is just favorable position. Right. Alternate, that is what is favorable condition. You want the probability so that they are in alternate position. Okay, but total means they can arrange themselves anywhere. Maybe boys together, girls together, alternate, not alternate, anything. 2 boys, 1 girl, something, any pattern can come. Okay, so 4 boys and 3 girls, 7. In how many ways you can arrange 7 objects? There are total 7 objects. So you can arrange them in 7 factorial ways. But now you want alternate. Ab alternate kaise hoga? 4 boys. Okay, and boys are more, so boys will occupy the corners. Okay, then girls, then boy, then girl, then boy, then girl, then boy. Last mein boy hoga because one boy is more than a girl. Okay, this is what alternate means. Okay, so alternate means this is the pattern required. But out of this pattern also, guys, okay, so boys, Okay, whether the first boy is here or second is here, ये तो कुछ भी हो सकता है ना. Boys and girls alternate. Okay, but which is the boy coming up here? So I have given you 4 position for boys. Boys should definitely come here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so arrangement of 4 boys in 4 positions, 4 factorial. It's actually 4p4, which is 4 factorial. Similarly, arrangement of 3 girls in 3 positions. There are only 3 possibilities for girls. So in how many ways you can arrange 3 girls? 3 factorial. Arrangement of 3 boys and arrangement of 3 girls, and means multiply. This is the favorable number of cases divided by total number of cases. Okay, so you just have to multiply and get hold of this answer. Okay, so this is 24, this is 6 divided by 720 into 7, that is actually 5040. Okay, so when we divide by this number, 35 will be the denominator left, completely cancelled. So 1 by 35. 1 by 35. That means yes, here we have option number B. Okay, hope that is clear to you. Here we clearly have the option number B. Okay, so some questions can be there from the probability as well. Okay, basic probability counting. It's just nothing counting. Question ऐसा भी हो सकता है. Okay, 4 boys and 3 girls stand in a queue. In how many ways? Okay, in how many ways you can arrange them so that they occupy alternate position? In how many ways you can arrange them so that you occupy alternate position? Then your answer is only this much. Okay, because this is the number of ways I counted so that they are in alternate position. But in alternate also, 4 boys can be arranged in 4 factorial ways. 3 girls can be arranged. Okay, here girls is there, but which is first, second, third girl, that arrangement will be there. No? So that is 3 factorial, 6 ways. Like that it is. Okay, like that. Okay. Acha, before I take the next question, guys, so now the next MMC for you is now live on the BYJU'S exam prep app, and the next MMC is 11 to the 17th of November. Okay, now you can attempt now and just compete with several thousand. These are all India open mega mock tests. Initially, subject tests are going on. Okay, after some time, that is from December, full length test is will also be starting. Okay, the tests are exactly as per gate pattern. 65 questions, 180 minutes will be given to you, and total 3 hours. Like the exact gate pattern. Okay, 65 questions, 100 marks and 180 minutes, like the gate pattern. Now, here, because these are all India open free mega mocks, you get a chance to compete with thousands of students participating and get your performance. And moreover, if your name comes at the top in the result list, okay, so like, the test is from 11 to 17th, 18th ko result declare hoga. So if your name comes in the top list of the rankers, you also get a chance to get huge discounts on the BYJU'S exam prep. Actual complete test series, okay, where that will have subject test, topic test, mock test, everything. All right, so do not forget to appear in these as well. Okay, so let's continue with the next question and the next very important topics, expected topics from geometry and mensuration. Let's cover some questions here. The sum of the lengths of all the edges of a cuboidal box is 172 centimeter. And if the length of the longest diagonal of the cuboid, have a look into one picture here actually. Okay, so the sum of the lengths of all the edges of a cuboidal box. Okay, so let us take a cuboidal box first of all. So if I consider this cuboidal box, what do I see? Okay, let's say this is the height. Okay, and this is suppose the length and this is the breadth. So height 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Okay, 4 of the edges will be along the height. Okay, then similarly if I've taken this as length 1 and 2, 3 and 4, both of them will be length. Okay, so this also will be L. So 4 times L will come. Okay, 4 times H will come. Okay, now talk about this breadth or the depth. Okay, so this is breadth twice, then this, and this is also B. Okay, so that clearly means what they're telling is sum of the length of all edges. So what does it mean? Sum of the length of all edges is actually 4 times L plus B plus H, and that is how much? 172. Okay, so what is L plus B plus H? That should be divided by 286 divided by 43. That is equal to 43 centimeter. Now, if the length of the longest diagonal of the cuboidal box, okay, what is this longest diagonal of the cuboidal box? Isko dekhiye zara. Okay, what is this longest diagonal of the cuboidal box? Okay, so if you take this diagonal of the base, okay, what is this diagonal equal to? Okay, this is the longest diagonal. So this is B and L. So this will be B square plus L square ka under root. Okay, B square plus L square ka under root, and then this is H. So again, if you apply Pythagoras theorem, what is this longest diagonal actually equal to? Okay, it will be total all square root of b square plus l square ka whole square, then h square. So ultimately h square plus b square plus l square. That is what is the longest diagonal. Okay, so if the length of the longest diagonal, that is equal to root over of l square plus b square plus h square, that is given to you as 25, then find the total surface area. Acha ji, what is the total surface area? Total surface area of cuboid formula is twice of LB plus LH plus BH, pairwise product. Okay, 6 surfaces are there. Okay, with 3 pairs of 2 opposite surfaces, and every surface is rectangle. Area of rectangle we consider and write down here. Now, how to find out this surface area? That is what is the question. Huh? That is what is the question. So, only one identity can help you solve the question. That is L plus B plus H whole square. What is that L plus B plus H whole square? It is actually given by L square plus B square plus H square plus twice of LB plus LH plus BH. That is the identity, A plus B plus C whole square. Now L plus B plus H is 43. So I have 43 square is equal to L square plus B square plus H square will be 25 square after eliminating the under root, and plus this term twice of this, that is total surface area. Okay, so from here guys, write down what is the surface area. 43 square minus 25 square. Let's calculate this quickly. 1224. This part is equal to the 1224, option number C. 1224. Option number C is the correct answer. Moving ahead to the next question, number 18th. If the angles of an octagonal are x, x plus 26, etc., 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 then the find measure of the third largest angle. Achha, third largest angle, it is given is increasing order. So x plus 80 is the largest, plus 70 plus 72. The third largest angle is x plus 72 degree. But what is the value of x? So it's octagon. Okay, what is that sum of all the angles in a polygon? Okay, sum of all angles in a polygon. That formula you can easily use here, right? That formula you can easily use. A sum of angles of polygon. How much, dear? Sum of angles of any polygon is given by n minus 2 into 180 degree. So if you want to talk in terms of octagon, okay, the total theta will be equal to how much? 8 minus 2 into 180 degree. That is 6 into 180 degree. Or 18 6 100 1080 degree. Okay, so just have to do a basic calculation, add up all of them. Okay, add up just all of them. What is that addition? X, then you have x plus, okay, 26 46, next is 50 64 72, 78 and up to 80. This is 1080. यहाँ से x का वैल्यू निकालना है, तो टोटल 8x. Okay, plus how much? Let's do the calculations quickly. Okay. 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 Okay, this is total 416 equal to 1080 divided by 8. 83. So value of x is 83 degree. So what should be the answer? X we have obtained as 83. Okay, so 83 plus 72 will be 155. Correct answer is going to be option number B. The correct answer is option number B, 155. Done, Aji. Next question, number 19, ready for you. In the given figure, good question on geometry. Okay, AB. Okay, this is the AB 8 root 3, and the radius of the circle will be 8 centimeter. If PA parallel to the OC, this PA is parallel to the OC, and this PB, this next tangent, is parallel to the OD. Okay, with O being the center of the circle, then find this angle COD. Achha ji. Please pay attention. What they are trying to tell, PA is parallel to OC. Okay, PA parallel to OC. Also, PB is parallel to OD. Okay, this is going to, because both of them, make the set of same parallel lines. Right. Okay. Right. And even if you want, यहाँ पे भी vertical line बना सकते हैं. So because of similarity, you can clearly say that these two angles are equal, and suppose that is theta. Okay, the question is, find the angle COD, right? Find the angle COD. This is the question. Okay, and that will be equal to the angle APB. Both of them are theta. Okay, ये theta हो गया. Now, next what I'm doing is, यहाँ पे देखना. Let me join this A with the O. Let me join the A to O. This A to O, and from this side also let us join the B to O. Okay. Now, how much? Suppose this angle is equal to phi. इसको separately भी देख सकते हैं. Okay. Look into this picture separately. Okay, this is A, this is B, and this is the center O. Okay, suppose this angle is phi. This is equal to the radius, and radius is 8. Okay, because both of them are radius, it is isosceles triangle, so opposite angles will also be equal. Both of them is phi. So how much is this angle? Okay, 180 में से 2 phi को subtract करेंगे. So this angle would be 180 minus 2 phi. How much is the phi? Can I calculate? Okay, how much is the phi? Can I calculate? Okay, no problem. इसको थोड़ा सा और split कर देते हैं. Because this is the center. Whenever you drop a perpendicular from center of a circle to a chord, AB is a chord. Okay, ये perpendicular drop कीजिए. Okay, whenever you drop a perpendicular from center to a chord, it will always bisect the chord. Okay, so what is the total AB? The total AB is 8 root 3 given to me. Okay, so this part will be 4 root 3, and this is the radius 8, and this is what is the phi. Okay, simple trigonometry. Cos phi is base upon hypotenuse. Okay, right angle triangle hai, because I have dropped a perpendicular. Okay, so 4 root 3 divided by base upon hypotenuse, and that becomes root 3 by 2. Acha, cos phi is root 3 by 2, and that is possible for 30-degree angle. That is possible for 30-degree angle. Now dear, the tangent to any circle, okay, is always perpendicular to the radial line. So if you take this particular triangle separately, actually quadrilateral. Okay, this is P, this is A, this is O, this is B. This will form 90 degree. Tangent is always perpendicular to the radius line. Okay, so this is also the tangent, so this will also form 90 degree. Okay, you want theta, and this is 180 minus 2 phi. Okay, this is 180 minus 2 phi. तो देखो, theta plus 90 plus 90 plus 180 minus 2 phi. ठीक है, ये जो angle है, this is 180 minus 2 phi. As I just explained you, 180 minus 2 phi. Okay, this is total equal to sum of the angles of quadrilateral, that is 360 degree. ये बना ना, this is the quadrilateral I am talking about. Okay, so 90, 90, 180 is 360, cancelled there. So theta minus 2 phi is 0, theta is equal to 2 phi. 2 into 5, phi obtained was 30 degree. Okay, and the answer will be 60 degree. This is one of the way. There can be other methods also. Okay, so theta that we have obtained is 60 degree. 60 degree, correct answer is option number A here. The correct answer is option number A. Moving ahead to the next question. Here it is. Okay, number 20. In a trapezium, okay, ABED, DA is perpendicular to AB, BED is 30 degree. BED smaller angle hai. Okay, BED is the smaller angle. So let me draw a trapezium here. ABED with angle E is smaller 30 degree. So I can do like this. ABED. ये आ गया. Angle BED. This part is 30 degree. Okay. And also DA perpendicular to AB. That is also clear. So D should be on opposite side. वैसे लिया है. Perpendicular to AB. BE is equal to 10 root 3. Okay. And AB is 20. This part is 20. So this also, if this is 20, okay, ये वाला portion 20, and this is another additional x. Okay, suppose this point is F. Okay, right, this is another x. Okay, now what you want? You want the area of the trapezium. For area, what you want? Half into sum of parallel sides. So AB तो पता है. Other parallel side is 20 plus x. I need x into the distance between parallel sides. Suppose that is y. Okay, a simple trigonometry can enable you to solve this particular problem, because first, if you apply cos 30 degree, okay, inside the triangle, what triangle I am just taking? I am taking the triangle BFE. triangle BFE. Okay, so cos 30 degree base x divided by hypotenuse, that is 10 root 3, right? So x ka value 10 root 3 into cos 30 degree is root 3 by 2. So you have 5 into 3, 15. X ka value 15. Okay, then similarly, if you apply the sin 30 degree, that will be equal to opposite side, that is y divided by hypotenuse 10 root 3. So y will be 10 root 3 into sin 30 degree, which is half. So this will be total 5 root 3. So what is the area of the trapezium? It is given by half into sum of the parallel sides. One of the parallel side is 20 and another parallel side will be 20 plus x. Okay, that will be 20 plus x into distance between parallel sides, that was y. Put down the value. So you have half 20 plus x. X obtained was 15 and y obtained is how much? That is the 5 root 3. Right, so it's 40 and 50, 55 into 5, 1, 250, 275 by 2 root 3. Answer is in root 3 and root 6 format. Okay, so 275 by 2 root 3. I've got my option number B ready. Okay ji, done hai. Option number B is done. Next question, moving here, 21. Now moving on towards the next area, next important areas, DI, data interpretation, numerical reasoning, basically you can say. Okay, the following line graph shows the air quality index, that is AQI of 3 different cities, Delhi, Mumbai, Kolkata, on 5 different days. Okay, so kiski baat chal rahi hai? They're talking about AQI. Okay, 3 different cities, that is a Delhi, Bombay and Kolkata. Okay, on 5 different days, that is Monday to Friday of a week. It is known that the value of AQI in the range 51 to 100 is satisfactory. The value of AQI in the range 101 to 200 is moderately polluted. Okay, 201 to 300 is poor. Okay, 301 to 400 is very poor. And more than 401 is considered severe. That is what mostly, most of the days Delhi is having AQI currently, most of the days. Otherwise, 300 se upar to hai hi. Okay, but okay, no problem. The AQI of, now see, it's a very simple analysis question. Sometimes DI questions will take time to read, but solution will be easy. You just have to have the patience for reading it carefully and considerably. Okay, the AQI of which of the following cities is very poor? Okay, for at least 2 of the given 5 days. Okay, for which of the cities it is very poor for at least 2 of the 5 days. And what is very poor? What is very poor? Very poor is the range 301 to 400. Okay. The AQI of 301 to 400, that portion is considered to be very poor. Okay, so ab aisa kis ke liye hai? Okay, let us look city by city. Okay, let's have an observation. So this one, grayish line is for Kolkata. Okay, yeah, this is 301 to 400. This is also 301 to 400 range. This is lesser. Ye 301 to 400. This is also 400. So 400 is also within poor. So this is, okay, for, sorry. I went to orange line, I'm sorry. Okay, 275, 255, 220. No, so yeah, it is there for 2 of the days, that is Monday and Tuesday. So Kolkata is definitely correct. Okay, the blue line Delhi 250, 250, 240, 160 and 300. 300 is not. 301 se 400 is poor. Although the graph is not really satisfactory right now because Delhi is actually having the very, very high and bad AQI right now. But no problem, we have to solve according to whatever is the graph data given. Okay, it's about data analysis here. Okay, now if you come to this orange one, that is the Mumbai. Okay, so 120, 200, 180, 350. Yeah, this is in your range, 301 to 400, and this is in your range. Okay, so correct answer is Kolkata and Mumbai both. Okay, Kolkata and Mumbai both. Option number D will be marked, Mumbai and Kolkata. Okay, I'll write down Kolkata is having for Monday, Tuesday, Monday and Tuesday, and Mumbai is having it for the last 2 days, that is Thursday, Friday. So both B and C, both Mumbai, Kolkata, having for at least 2 of the days the AQI, which is indicating very poor, which is being indicated as very poor. Next question, guys, number 22. This was 21. Now 22. The following bar graph shows the total number of new confirmed COVID-19 cases in country P on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday of a certain week in November 2022. Okay, so this graph is showing you what? This graph is showing you, okay, the bar graph shows the total number of new confirmed COVID-19 cases, okay, on the 5 days, Monday to Friday. Okay. Now there is a line graph. It's a mixture of bar graph and line graph question, line chart. The following line graph, okay, this shows what? This shows the total number of people on whom COVID-19 tests were conducted. Okay, and the number of males out of the total number of people tested on date. So total number of people tested, okay, this is blue one. Okay, this is representing the total tested, and this orange one, this is considering the only the males data, and this is how many people tested. What is the bar graph showing you? Confirmed. How many are confirmed? Okay, now what is given? The total number of people tested is number of male who were tested plus number of females, of course, who were tested. So that is very clear now. Now what is the positivity rate? There's a definition given. It is the number of new confirmed cases on a day divided by total number of people tested on that day. Okay, into 100 for percentage. Okay, note if a person is tested, then it will result either in confirmed case or non-confirmed case, or koi beech ka nahi, either confirmed or not confirmed. Okay, what is the positivity rate for country P on given Wednesday? Okay, on given Wednesday. Everything is for country P only. So we have to focus on Wednesday actually. Okay, so Wednesday, how many are confirmed? 1800. Okay, and on Wednesday, 1, 2, 3. How many are tested? How many total are tested? Actually, total se chahiye na. Okay, the males one will be used actually if somehow some females data was required. Total minus males could give females. Okay, but yahan pe they are simply asking the positivity. That means the total number of people tested, and that is anyways given 15,000. Okay, so the answer is simple. Okay, divided by total number of people, that is 15,000. Oh, sorry, it's not 15,000. It is 15,000. Okay, and how many were confirmed on Wednesday? 1800. Okay, numerator, number of new confirmed cases on that day, and that is 1800, and whole multiplied by 100. Okay, just let's complete this calculation quickly. So this is 12. This is very clearly 12%. So my answer is option number D. It is D, 12%. I hope it is clear to you. Okay, a bar graph and line chart mixture it was. Moving ahead to the next question here. In a Rangoli making competition, it's a pie chart. Okay, it's a pie chart here. So in a Rangoli making competition, 5 teams, that is A, B, C, D, E, each of which have had 5 members participated. 5 teams, okay, 5 teams, right, and each of whom have had 5 members. Every team has 5 members internally. Each member of the 5 teams made a Rangoli, and each of them received some marks based on the Rangoli made by them. It was evaluated. The maximum received by any member of the given teams is 10. Okay. The cumulative score of a team is the sum of marks received by the 5 members. Okay, so team score is calculated by addition of marks of individual 5 members. The following pie chart shows the marks received by these 5 teams as a percentage of sum of the cumulative marks received by all these teams. It is known that the sum of the cumulative marks received by all these teams is 160. Okay. Right. So out of that 160, how much received by A? 25%, like 15%. How much received by B? 20%. Okay. So clearly mentioned, na? Clearly mentioned that this pie chart, okay, the pie chart shows the marks received by these 5 teams as a percentage of the sum of the cumulative marks received by all these teams, and the sum of that cumulative marks is 160. Now, if the ratio of the marks received by members of team A, okay, 2:2:4:1:3. Okay, then find. अच्छा, first of all team A की बात चल रही है. Team A के total marks कितने होंगे? A, this blue one, 15%. How much team has scored? 15%. 15% of what? This is the percentage of sum of cumulative marks, which is 160. 15% of 160 is 0.15 into 160. Okay, तो ये कितना होना चाहिए? 116 into 1.5, 24. Okay, so the total marks, okay, by all 5 members of team A is 24. Okay, now the ratio of marks received by the members of team A is 2:2:4:1:3. Okay, that means, okay, if the ratio is given, so we can have the individual numbers as 2k plus 2k plus 4k plus 1 into k plus 3k. This is actually total 24. So this means kitna? 2, 2, 4, 4, 8, 9, 10, 12. 12k is 24. So k ka value 2 aa gaya. Now question is difference between the maximum and minimum. Okay, difference between the maximum and minimum marks received by members of team A. So maximum bole to 4 wala part, that is 4k. Okay, minus minimum. Minimum means one part. One part is k. Okay, so the answer is 3k. But what is k? K is 2. So 3 into 2, 6. Option number B. Option number B is the very correct answer. Done, G? Okay. So as you know, DI question, you just have to understand the language and extract the data. But calculations is mostly based on percentage and ratio, as you are able to feel also. Next, okay, 2 pie chart based question is given here. There are 2 different pie charts. Kya hai? These pie charts below shows the breakup of the total revenue and total sales volume for a company for the year ended 2003. Okay, so for the year ended 2003, there is the total revenue and total sales volume for a company. Total revenue of the company is rupees 11,39,200 million. Okay, and total sales volume is 6,53,610 units. Okay, now total revenue is divided into different cars like Maruti 800, Esteem, Zen, Omni, Alto. Okay, similarly, total sales. Okay, same cars are given 800, Esteem, Zen, Omni, and Alto. Okay, out of the total sales. Question hai, number 24. What is the net revenue per Esteem sold? Net revenue per Esteem sold. Okay, so net revenue per Esteem कितना होगा? Total revenue by Esteem divided by total Esteem sold. इसको ऐसा लिख देते हैं ना. So what you need to calculate is net revenue per Esteem. So what is the total revenues? Okay, earned by selling Esteem divided by total Esteem sold. Total Esteem sold. Okay, so what is the net revenue earned by Esteem? आ जाएंगे Esteem के ऊपर. Have a look into this. Okay, 17% of the total revenue is contributed to this Esteem. Okay, 17%. 17% of how much? Of this revenue, 11,39,200 million divided by total Esteem sold. And how many are the total Esteem sold? ये देखेंगे. This is 20%. How much? 20% of the total sales volume. Okay, so this will be written as divided by 20% of total sales volume. That is 653,610. Okay, so you have to calculate this number. So this is going to be 17%. That is 0.17 into 11,39,200. Okay, this is turning out to be 193, numerator 193,664. Acha, into million. Million is how much? 10 ki power 6. Divided by the total Esteem sold is 20% of the total sales volume, 653,610. Correct. And that is 1307. How many Esteems are sold? 130722. Decent question. Eh? Okay, now completing the calculation. Okay, we have 193,664. This is coming out to be 1481 rupees. 1481 495. 1481 495 approximately. So 1481,000 approximately ही बोला है ना, so that's okay. So option number A, rupees 14,081, 14,81,000. Okay, is the net revenue per Esteem sold. Okay, per Esteem sold. ठीक है, data extraction for a company. Done hai ji? Okay, so this was a 24th. Moving ahead to the next. Now some question on spatial aptitude, which always revolves about pictures. Okay, in the form of pictures. In the given figure below, how many paths are there from A to X? Total number of paths are there from A to X. Okay, if only ways to move are up is allowed, and right. But you can't come back left and you can't go down. Okay, so how many ways you can go from A to X? See, this is 1, this is 2. Very clear. Okay, ये तो clear ही हो गया. Up, right, या right up. Okay, along the boundaries, edge, the circumference boundary. Okay, the next. Now, I can split into the center part. Okay, next, ये वाला path लिख लिया. Okay, I go up, right up. This is number 3. ठीक है, this is number 3. Okay, now what else? यहाँ पे up जाके 50% split किया. You can go right first and then split 50%. I'll draw that separately. I go right. Okay, then split up. This is 4. And not only if I go right, I can, I can split 50% right, 50% up. That means 50% I go right, 50% up. Then again 50% right, then 50% up. ये हो गया 5th. Okay, this is confirmed. Okay, this is also confirmed. Right. Now tell me anything else can we have? ये दोनों हो गया. 50% up was also taken. Have I taken this? Yes. Have I taken this? Yes. Okay, this is also considered. So is it that all are done? 1, 2, 3. I went here, here, here. That is also done. I went from here to here. ये भी complete है. This portion is also complete. I cannot go down. Yeah, so I think we are done. Let me just tally it once again. Total boundary is taken. This top up. Okay. This is also done. Okay, so yes, I think we are done. ये 50% यहाँ गया. Okay, rather than this, I taken here. Oh, one more possibility I'm able to find. Yes. Okay, I can go. Okay, 50% up. ये जो 50% right गया था ना, इसी का reverse. 50% up, then right, then up, right. Sixth one, and I think it was not considered yet. Yes. Okay, correct. Sixth one is also there. Okay, and option number C will be correct. Just retallied it. Yes. Done, Aji. Okay. Next question. Choose the option which completes the series given. That's a series-based spatial aptitude. Now, see, in series-based, it is not necessary to, figure out the logic of complete diagram. If required, yes. But if you see, what can I take out? Maybe I can play with this triangle. Look into this triangle. Top pe aaya. Okay, then it goes to the left. Then it goes to the bottom. Okay, so that means this triangle, it is moving anti-clockwise. So next position of the triangle, it's a hollow triangle, and that should be towards this right. That should be, and all of the triangles are pointing up only. Okay, so that is very clear, option number D. That is very clear, option number D. Even if you try to find other patterns, complete pattern find hoga, but no need to waste time. Sometimes a single observation can help you solve these picture-based question. Okay, spatial aptitude, also known as non-verbal reasoning. Number 27, which of the option is the exact mirror image of the given word? Okay, it's a very simple question. Mirror image of the given word. So what is the given word? P, Q. Okay, let me write, not in my writing, as what in the format that they have written the words. P, R, P, Q, R. 5, 4, 1, F, E. So if I take this as the mirror, okay, mirror will create the reflection. So of course the word will start with E. Then this is the F, inverted about vertical axis. Okay. Then you have this as the 1. We just keep checking the option. Definitely D is not correct. It will not start with F. It will start with E. Okay. Then after 1, acha, after 1 to 4 aana chahiye. So B is also wrong here. B is also wrong here. So 4, draw that inverted 4. Then 5, invert the 5. This will become 5. So 4 ke baad 5 hai. Correct here. Acha. So this Q is wrong because after 5 R aana chahiye. So correct answer is C. Answer is matched here actually. Okay, this is R. Okay, let me complete it. This will be Q, just invert, and last letter, that is the P. Okay, that is the P. Option number C. Option number C, completely done. ठीक है जी? So basic observation. Next one. Given here is a square transparent sheet with a pattern on it. How would the pattern appear when the transparent sheet is folded along the dotted line? Transparent sheet is there. Okay, so that you can see both the sides of the sheet. Okay, and where it is being folded, of course, all the options are able to say that whatever is the diagram is on right side. That means the paper is folded from left to right. It must be folded from left to right. So let me complete the folding here only. Okay, इसी के ऊपर fold कर देते. So whatever is on the left, that will also be seen on the right because it's a transparent. You've just folded it. Okay, so you can see through the paper. So whatever is drying, look into this. Okay, first, okay, it's like mirror image. It's like one side mirror image, left to right mirror image, but not right to left. Okay, so this portion, okay, take the image of this portion. ये आ जाएगा right में. Okay, this will come to the right, number 1. ठीक है. Now I have to draw the image of this portion. This is left. Okay, इसका image बना लेते हैं dear. Okay, let me draw the image of this. It goes here. Okay, then it comes here. And it goes here. Now look into this. Okay, now look into this. 1, 2, 3. Okay, 3 such pictures are coming up here. Okay, उसमें 2 हैं. Look into this. Yes, 1, 2, 3. 3 pictures are seen here. Let me completely make it red now. Pura portion of this right. Now have a look into this. Yes. Okay, then this particular. It's clearly matching with C. It is clearly matching with the answer, that is C. Clearly matching with the answer, that is C. Simple observations are here. Next, 29. Choose the correct figure to replace the question mark. Replace the question mark. So A, B, C, D. Okay. So now there is a pattern in A and B. Have a look into this pattern. Okay. Look into. There are some symbols and 3 arrows pointing to it. The symbols remain as it is. 2 solid, 1 hollow in the same direction. Arrow reverse ho jayega. Similarly here there is a circular arrow. That's okay. Okay. And then there are 2 of these figures, the stars. Okay. Or You can say rhombus. So what should be the next picture? The rhombuses should remain as it is. The rhombus should remain as it is. One hollow, okay, and one solid. So the solid one remains as it is. But the arrows, like arrows reversed. So this arrow direction will reverse. It will be something like this. And now match the answer. Now match the answer. It is clearly option number 2 in that case. Okay, it is clearly option number 2. Yeah, it is clearly option number 2 that is matching up. It's B. Okay, picture number 2. Picture number 2. Next question, number 30. From among the given options, select the figure which is embedded in the following figure. Select the figure which is embedded in the following figure. Okay, so there is a piece given. Okay, with in the intent of the question is what? This particular piece is embedded. ये किसी picture में छुपा हुआ है, किसी के अंदर embedded है. In the same manner, without even rotation and all, you have to choose that option in which this given figure is embedded. Okay, so I can just notice one observation. Okay, look into this portion. Okay, let me highlight this. Have a look into this particular portion, and this particular portion, okay, is just hidden here. Rest also you can match. Okay, rest अगर पूरा match करना है तो देखो. Here it is. It comes like this. It is here. Okay, and then top wala portion it goes here and it turns here. This is completely embedded, but that one small pattern itself is sufficient to find out the answer. Okay, answer is D. Answer is the option number D. Done hai? Next question. A paper is folded and cut as shown in the following figures. Okay, a paper is folded. It is folded first towards right and then towards bottom. Okay, in the figures X, Y, Z. Select the option that will depict how this paper will appear when it is unfolded. A paper is folded and cut. So this is the cut given. It is first folded and then cut. Okay, so this is the manner in which the paper has been cut. Okay, in between a cut has been made. Okay, now you are going to unfold it. Okay, so what will happen? Unfold in the similar manner. Okay, so first unfold it to the top. ये bottom लेके आए थे तो reverse manner. Oh, unfold it to the top. So when you unfold it to the top, actually what is going to happen? Whatever cut has been made here, its impression will come to the top. It's like image of it going to the top. So let me draw its image. Okay, let me draw that image here. First of all, dear. This bottom one is hollow. So top one will be hollow and these lines, the top lines will be seen in the bottom section. Okay, this is the image. Okay, now you unfold it, completely unfold. So left, from right to left. Okay, I folded from left to right. Now right to left, unfolding will be done, sorry. Okay, so when I unfold, so these two cuts, paper ko open karoge na, aapne pure paper ko cut kiya tha, so that impression now will come here as well. So look into its mirror image. First of all, this itself is seen in the option number C only. Okay, ऊपर से खाली होना चाहिए. Okay, and then its mirror image, perfect and perfect. Option number C is correct. Option number C is the correct option. Very, very clearly, option number C is the correct option. So spatial aptitude, last 6-7 questions we discussed with spatial aptitude question, and this is the number 31 of the 31 question series today. So this is the last question. So we have done questions from quant, okay, logical reasoning, logical deductions, data interpretation, spatial aptitude. So multiple topics that we can discuss. Okay, verbal of course I don't deal, so that's why not included verbal, but rest all the topics of general aptitude to give you a good practice session on this Diwali. This was a Diwali special dhamaka because I told you in the beginning also, celebrations are always there. Yes, you must be involved in celebration also, but at the same time preparation should be at the also peak time because less than 3 months left for gate examination. That is why I brought this session as a Diwali special. Okay guys, so now if you want more practice, you can also download the BYJU'S exam prep app. You can get live practice sessions, you can get practice quizzes, timer based. You can certain time and certain number of questions, you can match your speed and accuracy. You can get the complete analysis out of any test, and also moreover you can keep yourself checking among your fellow aspirants. More and more quiz you appear, more and more points you get on the app, and you see yourself coming up top on the leaderboard. That gives you confidence. So a lot of practice activities you can enjoy on the BYJU'S exam prep app. Download it from the Google Play Store, or there is a link in the description of this video. You can directly download the app using that particular link as well. And also guys, for those who are preparing for gate 24 and looking for a quick revision, the complete syllabus coverage, okay, with the lots of question variety, with different varieties of question to be solved, the gate 2024 crash course is live on the BYJU'S exam prep app. And for all the aspirants going to appear for 2025 or 26, the vision courses, okay, full-fledged courses, Okay, regular courses are also now available on BYJU'S Exam Prep for 2025 and 26. Okay, in both English as well as Hindi format. So you can choose the batch language as per your preference. You can get a separate English batch as well as you have a separate option for Hindi batch. Okay, and you get live classes, recorded lecture, study material, mock test, practice quizzes with your favorite faculty team. Everything to get you exam ready. Also, you can be connected with me in my Telegram group, and whatever questions we have discussed today, along with the complete concepts we discussed, the solution, everything, I'll share you in the Telegram. But as all my classes, as my rule, by PDF will be password protected. So what's going to be password for today? So let me create a random password for today. Diwali 23. It's 2023 Diwali. So, everything will be in small. Diwali. Diwali 23. Without any spaces, without any break, everything in small. This will be the password for the PDF. You can get the PDF in the Telegram, in my Telegram group, but the PDF will be open through this password. So all those who have paid, given the effort to watch this video, okay, and practice through it, they get the PDF by this particular password. That's it, guys. Once again, wishing you a very happy and a prosperous, safe Deepavali. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this practice session. Do give the comments. Okay, like because if you're enjoying, if you give appropriate comments, maybe we plan more such sessions. Okay, yeah, this was on special Diwali. This was special on Diwali, but we can keep practicing. We can keep providing you some more sessions. So write down your comments. How did you like the session, so that we can plan more based on your need and based on your interest. Bye bye. Thank you. Stay safe and have a happy Deepavali to all the GATE aspirants once again. Thank you.